This Faceless YouTube Shorts channel exploded to 50,000 subscribers with just 75 videos. And here's the crazy part. This channel is making money from a niche that almost no one is talking about. Yes, this is a hidden niche, and people running channels like this are earning thousands of dollars every single month. The best part? You can do it too, with nothing more than a laptop or even just your phone. The entire niche is powered by 100% AI-generated content. No face, no camera, no complicated setup. And the proof? This channel is already monetized and pulling in over $1,000 per month just from YouTube Shorts. That means you could quit your boring 9-to-5 job and start building a YouTube automation channel in this niche. Right now, there are only a few channels doing this. So if you start today, you'll be ahead of the crowd. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your own channel, like this channel, step by step. From setting up in YouTube Studio to optimizing your videos for growth. First of all, head over to your YouTube Studio. If you missed how to set up your channel, I've already explained that in the previous video. You'll find the link in the description below. Now comes the fun part, picking a good-looking channel name. To make this super easy, I've given you a Google Doc with a ready-to-use prompt. And trust me, this one simple step can decide whether your channel looks professional or like a beginner's project. Copy the prompt from the Google Doc, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. In just seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 to 15 unique channel name ideas. Pick the one that stands out and feels right for your brand. Next, you need to create a channel handle. If the perfect one is already taken, don't panic. Just add a small word, number, or symbol to make it unique. Boom! You've got a professional channel handle that's ready to grow. And here's the secret. This small detail is what makes your channel stand out from the rest. Now it's time to create a professional, SEO-optimized description for your channel. And this is where most beginners go wrong. But don't worry, I've made it simple for you. Open the Google Doc I gave you and copy the second prompt. Paste it straight into ChatGPT. When you hit Generate, you'll instantly get a complete SEO-optimized description written just for your channel. This step is crucial because your description helps YouTube understand your content and push it to the right audience. Once ChatGPT gives you the text, copy it and paste it into the description section in YouTube Studio. If there are any extra lines or random text, just delete them. After that, you'll have a perfect description that makes your channel look professional and helps it rank higher. And here's the secret. An optimized description doesn't just look good, it actually tells YouTube's algorithm who to recommend your videos to. Skip this, and you'll struggle to grow. Now comes one of the most important parts of your channel, your logo and banner. This is your channel's branding, and trust me, if you get this right, your channel will instantly look professional. Most beginners skip this step, and that's why their channels don't stand out. Open the Google Doc I've shared and copy the third prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a unique logo prompt designed for your channel. The goal here is not to make a heavy or complicated logo, just something simple, clean, and memorable. Now open a new tab and go to ideogram.com. Sign up or log in, and you'll see a prompt box at the top. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT into that box. Select your aspect ratio, click Generate, and within 30 to 40 seconds, your unique logo will appear. And here's the best part. If you don't like the first one, you can simply tweak the prompt in ChatGPT and generate a brand new professional logo instantly. Once you're happy with your logo, upload it back into YouTube Studio under the logo section. Adjust it properly, click Done, and boom! Your channel now has a professional brand identity. And remember, branding is what separates a beginner's channel from one that looks like it's run by a serious creator. Get this right, and you're already 10 steps ahead. Now that your logo is ready, it's time to design your YouTube banner. This is what viewers see the moment they visit your channel, so it needs to look clean and professional. Here's a secret. Your banner is the first impression of your channel. Get it wrong, and people won't take your content seriously. Go back to ChatGPT and simply tell it, I need a YouTube banner prompt for my channel. Make sure to include your channel's name when you ask. Hit Enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT will give you a ready-to-use prompt for your banner. Copy that prompt, head over to ideogram.com and paste it into the prompt box. This time, select an aspect ratio of 16:9 or 16:10. Perfect sizes for YouTube banners. Choose your model, hit generate, and within a few seconds your unique banner will appear. And if you don't like the first result, no worries. Just regenerate until you find the perfect one. Once your banner is ready, download it and upload it directly into the banner section in YouTube Studio. Adjust it, click save, and your channel will instantly look more professional. Bonus tip: add a watermark. Don't forget to add a channel watermark too. Just upload your logo here, and it will appear on all your videos. This way, your content is protected and no other creator can copy it. Every time your video plays, your brand logo will always be visible. Finally, click Publish, and your channel now has a professional logo, banner, and watermark. At this point, your channel already looks like it belongs to a pro creator. And we're just getting started. Your channel might look complete, but the most important settings are still left. So let's fix them now. Click on the Settings button in YouTube Studio. Go to the Channel tab, Basic Info, and select your country. Now scroll to the Keyword section. Here's where you'll add powerful SEO tags. Copy the keyword prompt from the Google Doc I gave you, paste it into ChatGPT, and let it generate a list of optimized keywords. Take those keywords and paste them into YouTube Studio. Make sure to use the full 500 characters for maximum reach. This step is key, because without keywords, YouTube won't know who to recommend your videos to. Next, go to Feature Eligibility. Add your phone number and verify your identity. Once verified, you unlock powerful features like uploading longer videos, adding custom thumbnails, and securing your channel. This is what turns a basic channel into a professional creator account. Now head to Advanced Settings. Here you can select your video language and choose whether your uploads are public or unlisted. Pro tip: always upload as unlisted first. This way you can preview the video, make adjustments, and only go public when everything looks perfect. Click on Save, and boom! Your channel is now fully optimized and ready to grow. Now it's time to start creating our first YouTube Shorts automation video. And to do that, we're going to look at a channel called Save My Baby and see exactly how they're doing it. Stick around because this is where things start to get really exciting. Now comes the fun part, recreating viral videos in your own unique style. And trust me, this is the secret that can make your channel go viral. Taking screenshots. Go to the channel you want to learn from. In this case, we're looking at Save My Baby. Play one of their videos, pause it on the scene you want, and take a screenshot. If you're on your phone, just use the screenshot button. If you're on a laptop or a PC, install a Chrome extension that lets you take clean screenshots. Once the extension is active, play the video, pause at the right moment, and click the extension. You'll see an option to select area. Drag your cursor over the part of the screen you want, click Save, and download the screenshot to your device. This is the raw material we'll use to generate a unique version of the scene. Now open a new ChatGPT chat and upload the screenshot. Use the exact prompt I've provided, and ChatGPT will turn that screenshot into a detailed text prompt you can use to recreate the image. Here's the magic. You can adjust the prompt to make your version unique. For example, if the original video had a yellow truck, you can change it to a red truck or white truck. If the baby's t-shirt was blue, change it to green or red. These small tweaks make your video stand out as completely original, while still riding the wave of proven viral content. This step is where your creativity meets AI, and it's the exact trick viral faceless channels are using right now. So now, after making changes in the prompt, we will generate our first image. For this, copy your final prompt and go to this website, piclumen.com. I've added the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, simply sign up and log in. After that, click on the Create button on the right side. You will see a prompt box there. Just paste your prompt from Google Docs into that box. Now select the aspect ratio 9:16 because that's perfect for vertical videos. Next, choose any model you like, set the number of images to 2, and click the Generate button. Your image will now be created. If it doesn't look the way you want, don't worry. Just go back to ChatGPT and ask it to regenerate or modify the prompt until you get the perfect result. Once you're happy, download your image and save it. This will be the first scene of our video, so now your first image is ready. To make the second image, go back to your YouTube video and take a screenshot. Then upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and ask it, "Give me the exact prompt for this image." GPT will give you a perfect prompt that looks almost the same as the original frame. Once you have the prompt, copy it and go to piclumen.com again. Paste the prompt, choose your settings, and generate the image. Repeat the same process for all the other screenshots from your video. Take a screenshot, get the prompt from GPT, paste it into Piclumen, generate the image. This way, step by step, you'll quickly prepare all the images you need for your video. Now for the next step, we'll take our images and turn them into videos. For this, we'll use an amazing AI tool called Kling AI. You'll find the link in the description below. First, sign up and log in. Once you're inside, you'll see the main interface. Kling AI gives you 166 free credits, which means you can easily create 5 to 6 videos for free. On the right side, click on the Image to Video option. Now upload your first image. After uploading, scroll down and paste the exact same prompt here, which you had used while creating the image. You have to paste into the prompt box on the Kling AI after that and click on the Deep Seek button. This will give you a unique prompt for your video. And then click on Generate. Your video will start processing. In just 2 to 3 minutes, your video will be ready. And yes, it will even come with sound effects. Repeat the same steps for all your images one by one. After generating, download all your videos to your device. So now I have quickly converted all my images into videos and saved them on my device. So now comes the most important step. We're going to combine all the videos into one short video. For this, we'll use a video editing software called CapCut. First, import all your videos into CapCut. Then, drag them step by step onto the timeline. Place the first scene first, the second scene second, and so on, just like telling a story. Now, you'll notice a watermark on the video. Don't worry. Simply zoom in a little, and the watermark will disappear. Next, you can add smooth transitions between clips, some captions, and even sound effects to make your video more engaging. Once everything looks perfect, click the Export button. Within 1 to 2 minutes, your final video will be saved to your device, ready to upload. And just like that, you've created your full AI-powered video. So now our video is ready. The final step is uploading it to YouTube with the right SEO settings. First, go back to ChatGPT where we generated the prompt. Copy that prompt and simply ask, "Give me a YouTube title, description, and hashtags optimized for SEO." ChatGPT will give you a perfect title, description, and hashtags that can help your video rank higher. Now open YouTube Studio. Click the Create button, then select Upload Video. Choose the video we exported from CapCut and upload it here. Paste the SEO-optimized title, description, and hashtags that ChatGPT gave you. This way, your video will have the best chance to get more views. And that's it. Congratulations, your video is live on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Now let's preview the final result together.